Do you want to mine Dogecoin at home on your PC? If the answer is yes, then you want to make sure you keep watching, because today, I will show you how you can do the same in the easiest way possible. All you have to do is implement all the steps shared in this tutorial. Okay, now just before I show you how to mine Dogecoin, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on future uploads, make sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. And with all that said, let's get into the video now. The first step you are going to do is, open your browser, and go to dogecoin.com. All the links mentioned in this video are given in the description below, so don't worry about memorizing the links now. Okay, now just scroll down to this section over here, and select your version, and the downloading will start automatically. After the downloading is finished, right-click on it, and install it on your computer. Now, open your browser again, and go to a site called unminable.com. Click on this download button over here, and we have to download this file. But when you download this file, you will get prompted that this file contains a virus. Don't worry, actually it's not a virus, almost every miner is detected as a virus. So, in order to fix this, turn your browser's and computer's antivirus off, and then download it. Now, to download it, right-click on this file, save link as, choose the location, and click Save. Now the file will be downloaded. After the downloading is finished, extract this file, and open it. Now, click on Continue, and it will ask you to choose whether to mine using your CPU or graphics card. If you have a good PC, then go and click on GPU, otherwise click on CPU. After choosing it, click on Next. Now, it will tell you to select a coin or token. Select Dogecoin from this list. Next, you have to enter your address. To get your address, go and open the application that we installed earlier in this video. Click on File, then Much Receiving Addresses, and simply copy your address over here. Now, go back to the miner, and paste your address there. Now, if you want to, you can enter a referral code over here. I will leave mine in the description below. Entering my referral code will reduce your maintenance fee, and also will give me a small reward. It will be of great use for both of us. But if you don't want to, then there is no need to enter a referral code. Now, click on the Start button over here, and our miner will start mining Dogecoin. You can set this to low mode and let it mine in the background, or set it to high mode and mine more Dogecoins. Before you start mining, you must know one thing. Overmining can cause damage to your PC. So, install any software like GPU-Z or MSI Afterburner to monitor your GPU temperature. To download GPU-Z, open your browser and go to this site. Once again, all the links are given in the description below. Now click on this Download GPU-Z button, and click on this button over here. Now select any server you wish to download. The downloading will start automatically. Once the downloading is finished, open the file. Now you will be able to see an interface like this one. Click on this button over here. Now you can see all the details that we want in order to monitor our GPU temperature over here. Try to keep your GPU temperature below 70 degrees to not cause any harm to your PC. If you want to download MSI Afterburner, I will add a link to download it in the description below. To keep your GPU temperature below 70 degrees, just turn off your miner, or switch between CPU and GPU. Now, when you get 30 Dogecoins, you can get paid. To get paid, open your browser, go to unmineable.com again, search for Dogecoin, click on address, paste your address here, and click search. Now, you can see your balance here. When you get 30 Dogecoins, click on this Pay Now to get your Dogecoins. If you don't want to hold Dogecoins, but you want to sell it directly when you get it, go to sites like anycoindirect.eu or any other, and set up your account and sell it over there. That's it, you are all set to start mining Dogecoins. But before concluding, I want to tell you something. Mining cryptocurrencies is not like any get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and energy to see some results. If you can stay patient and continue mining, you will get great results from mining. Anyways, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.